Morning everyone. Oh, it's a fine morning this morning, I tell you. Oh, absolutely delicious. It's so lovely. Yeah, I've got a huge pile of stuff on the, I don't know if you can see it, you probably can't, but it's up there, that I've just unloaded. And it's early, it's just gone 8. Thought I'd get an early start. I've got, we're building an arch. It's the Easter holiday, so the boys are off, so hopefully they're going to be coming to help, which will be great. Something to do as well over the Easter. Yeah, look at that. See loads of crows over there. I don't know if you can see them. They're attacking, what are they? What is that? Some seed heads anyway, large seed heads. That's my pile. These are heavy. I tell you that. I'm going to have to, well, I hope I can just drag them over to there. Let's go and have a look at the plot while it's nice and quiet. Bird song. I don't know if you can see that shed. I'll zoom in if you can. It's sort of on its side. It must have been blown over at some point. Bird song is glorious. I'll shut up for a minute. Have a really good listen. Beautiful. Right. Oh, I think this is mine. This shouldn't be there. I meant to take that back with me. It's a bag of bags. Let's have a little inspection. Oh, look, the arch. Still there. Oh, look at the rhubarb. Blimmin' hell. That's grown like, look, it's grown out of the pot. Jesus. Oh, yes. I know you said, a lot of you said it was, they're very hardy, but Valerie said cover it. So I've got to do what Valerie says. Well, look at the onions. Lordy, they've grown loads. Wow. They really shot up. Oh, that's amazing. I've got garlic as well. It's in the fridge at the moment because apparently if you put it in the fridge for a while, a week or so or whatever, they prefer it, because I think that you should technically plant them in from September to overwinter, but obviously I'm too late for that. Compost bin is, yeah, that's not moved. Too early for seedlings. Right, I better get this stuff onto the allotment. See you in a bit. So that's 2 arches, and I'm just about to start the 3rd one. But you see I've attached them with cable ties. I'll show you a closer look in a minute. But yeah, that's the start of the arch. It's nearly done now. I'm going to do the 3rd arch, so I'll see you in a tick. Oh, well, the sun's come out finally. It's been raining on and off. So that's the arch. Hopefully you can see that. Should be able to, I should think. Yeah, that's the arch. I've actually extended the paths. This is all bark. All along here. That's a new bed. Yeah, that's the path. And I will probably be putting these bamboo long big canes across to create a kind of a fence which will have clematis growing up it or whatever. Yeah, it's coming along, it's coming along. Look at them, come and have a look at the rhubarb. Yeah, that's growing great guns, very good. So I'm still going to need to extend left and right now, really. Probably going to get, I've been charging my strimmer batteries, so I'll be back for that. It's kind of a shame to leave while it's lovely and sunny, but I need a coffee. So let's go home and get a coffee. Yeah, look, I'm walking through the arch. That'd be great when this stuff's growing on it. Love that. Ooh, let's take my rubbish home with me. Yeah. Oh, and that. The boxes. Cool, it's actually quite warm. Oh, that's got an arch. Oh, I didn't realise. Oh, silly me. Right, I'm going to put this in the box, back in a tick. Okay, right, let's go home. Yep, progress. It is a bit of an on and off day, I've got to be honest, weather-wise. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching on my allotment update. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.